Hello everybody, this is Tommy here. In this video I will show you how to register on Binance and verify your account. So first of all you need to log in, you need to open binance.com. Once you open binance.com you will see a page something like this. Here as you can see you can click on the top right of the page a register button, or click here sign up with email or phone. It doesn't matter, you can click any of them, but don't continue with Google or Apple, because I will share with you guys a discount code in which you can use for a lifetime. So that's why it's important to click sign up with email or phone, or register button on the top of the page. So once you click one of these buttons, you will see a page something like this. Here you need to enter your email address or phone number. You can choose any of them, it doesn't matter for the beginning. And after you will see referral ID, which is shown optional, but I highly recommend you to guys enter the code. Enter the code is on the screen that you see right now, because once you enter this code while registering on Binance, you will get a 20% lifetime fee discount. So that's very important. You will get lifetime 20% fee discount. That's very important, guys. So that's why please make sure you enter this code into the referral ID blank. So after that, click here. No, I'm click here agree to the Binance terms and services, etc. After you read it or you don't read it, it's up to you, and click next. And also you can click in the description below, and this referral ID blank will come fill it, so you will have again 20% fee discount for a lifetime. So that's very important, that's why I'm telling it twice or three times. Please excuse me. Once you fill all this information here and click here and click the next button, you will see a page something like this. Binance will send you an email to verify your email address. You need to enter the code that Binance sent you here on the blank, and after you enter the code, click submit. And if you register with your phone number, Binance will also send you a code again to your phone number. You should again enter the code here that Binance sent to you, and click submit. Once you completed all these processes, you need to set a passport, and please set a passport here, which must be very I think it must be complicated a little bit, because there are so many frauds around the world, as you know, and most of them will want to have your Binance account and will want to reach your funds. So that's why password is very important. Be careful over here, okay? And after click next button, and you will have your account. So we got a Binance account. Okay, good luck to you all. Right now, to fund our account, we need to verify our Binance account, and we need to do this with our ID. How to do that? Let me show you guys. Alright, let's start with identity verification. That's very important, because to fund our Binance account, first of all we need to verify our identity. So to verify our identity, click here. As you can see, there is an icon on the top of the page. Once you click the icon, you will see a drop down something like this. Here you need to click identification button. Once you click identification button, the page will be like this. Here we are gonna click start now button, and once we click start now button, we need to select country of our residence. So here on the drop down, choose your country of your residence, and after choosing your country of your residence, Binance will want you some documents according to your country, as you can see here, like government issued ID, or let's say driving license. It may change depending on your country. And so let's click continue, and as you can see, we need to upload our government issued ID or driver's license or passport to Binance to verify our account. Let's say we choose government issued ID. So let's click government issued ID and click continue. So as you can see here, Binance will want us to upload our upload image of our ID. So first of all, we need to upload the front side of our ID, identity card, and secondly, we need to upload our back side of our ID. So once we upload these documents to Binance, click continue. After clicking continue, Binance will also want you to verify your identity via a selfie, a photo. So according to instructions, take a photo of yourself and upload to Binance. And after that, you will see a page something like this. Binance will check your identity and it will take a little bit time, not much. And after that, we need to verify our facial recognition. It's also important. We also need to do that. Before starting facial recognition, or let's say face verification, please avoid these things. Don't wear any hats or something like that, or glasses, or don't use any filter, and make sure there is enough light. There's enough lighting. Okay, so after that, you can start continue and go on. Or alternatively, move your mouse to the QR code on the bottom right to complete verification on the Binance app instead. Scan the QR code via your app to finish face verification process. After completing the process, please wait patiently. Once your application has been verified, you will be notified. So yeah, alright guys, that's all actually. We registered on Binance and after that we made our Binance account verified. So from now on we can trade any cryptocurrencies we want anytime we want, and we can fund our account up to 50,000 US dollar daily, and we can withdraw money from Binance up to 50 US thousand dollar daily without any problem. I think it's a good number, I think it's a very good number. So for this video, I don't have anything else to tell you guys. If you don't know how to trade on Binance, I can also make another video for this topic as well. Please tell me in the comment section. If you like the video, if you like how I tell how to do things, please hit that like button and make sure you subscribe to our channel. This was Tommy Solimana here. That's all for today. Have a very good day.